Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to factory reset the Honor Magic V6 foldable phone. So first, what we're going to do is we're going to open up settings. From here in the settings, what we're going to do is we're going to scroll all the way down until we see system and updates. Once we click here, we first want to go to backup and restore. So we want to back up our stuff. I use the Google backup. You can use the data backup where you can record something to an external storage like USB, pen drive, and etc. Here we also have shared folders in our network. And here we have USB storage, memory card. And I use the Google one. I feel like it's the fastest method because I just clicked backup to Google. I enabled it, chose an account. And here in Google account, as you guys can see, my data is backing up 2 photos and videos, but once it's done, I'm just gonna go to reset, click on reset phone, and it is checking a few things. As you guys can see, our mail account will be deleted, so we're gonna click reset phone and enter our lock screen password. Once you click here, you can reset your phone but keep the eSIMs, or you can reset it completely. I do not use any eSIMs, that's why I'm gonna click on reset. And as you guys can see, now it is erasing. So now we should basically be in our startup setup. So now it's erasing everything from our phone, from every single app, every single account, every single file that might be here. The phone just went completely dark, and it's basically because the reset is already in progress. So as you guys can see, even if I press something, it won't work like that. We have to wait for the phone to turn back on. So this is like a restart, but once the phone restarts, we're not in the main screen, we are in the setup screen, the first one that you see whenever you bought the phone. So now all we have to do is wait. As you guys can see, please see the main screen. And now let's go over and do that. As you guys can see, factory reset low level, it is still doing it, and now the reset is successful. It's pretty quick if you do not have a lot of stuff on your phone, and now it should be ready. So the Honor is loading up, and soon we should see the setup. Now it shouldn't take less than 1 minute. It's always like that. Whenever you reset your phone, it takes some time, but you shouldn't be really worried about it. And in a couple of seconds, it should be ready. We should see our Magic OS loading up. And now we should be in the setup. So that's how you guys can easily factory reset your phone. And now we are waiting for the optimizing apps process. As you guys can see, we are at 100% now, and in a second our phone should just pop up with a setup. Here we have it, and that's how you guys can easily set up your phone and factory reset it. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.